Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. Let's look at our first question today. Are x minus 1 and x plus 5 a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0? To do the question, we have to remember the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. The remainder theorem says that if we divide any polynomial fx by x minus a, the remainder is equal to f of a. And the factor theorem says if f of a is equal to 0, then there is no remainder. So we can use the factor theorem to see is x minus 1 and x plus 5 a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So first let's solve and see if x minus a is a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3. We can do this by simply taking x equals to 1 and plugging this into our equation. So 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 3, that equals to 0. Let's see if that gives us 0. So 1 plus 2 minus 3, 3 minus 3 equals to 0. So therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now, let's try doing the same thing for x plus 5. So is x plus 5 a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3? To solve this, we'll take x equals to minus 5, and we'll plug this right here, which gives us minus 5 squared plus 2 times minus 5 minus 3. That's 25 minus 10 minus 3. 25 minus 13 equals to 12. 12, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 5 is not a factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3. So I hope you learned something from this lesson, and thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.